Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and we're practicing writing our inequalities on a number line and an interval notation. I got three problems here. The first one is x is less than or equal to 2. So first of all, the number line would throw down 0, and negative 2 is less than 0, so it would be to the left. And it says x is less than or equal to negative 2. So first of all, the fact that it says less than or equal to means we'd be going to the left. When it says less than or equal to, that means we'd put a bracket at negative 2. So a bracket at negative 2 and an arrow pointing to the left. As far as inequality notation, that would be a parentheses, negative infinity for the left arrow, and then negative 2 bracket for the less than or equal to negative 2. The second one here, 7 is less than x, so we'll throw down 0 and 7 is to the right. 7 is less than x, so you may like that or you may not. You could always rewrite it as x is greater than 7. You should see the same thing there. But 7 is less than x, which means 7 is the smallest number. Or if you say x is greater than 7, you want the numbers bigger than 7. So we'll put a parentheses at 7, and since we want numbers bigger, we'll be going an arrow to the right. And then if we write it in inequality notation, parentheses 7, infinity, parentheses. The last one in this example. Negative 5 is greater than x. So 0, negative 5 is to the left of that. So negative 5 is greater than x. So negative 5 is the biggest number. So that means we want things less than negative 5, so to the left of negative 5, and then parentheses at negative 5. So in interval notation, that would be negative infinity for the left arrow, and negative 5 parentheses for the right endpoint.